In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Amazon gift card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on what you have to do to redeem any eligible Amazon gift card that you have. In order to redeem the card, you will be able to do this process through the website, as I'm gonna be demonstrating in this video, or through the latest version of their mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, all that you have to do is sign into your account and you should see your name on the navigation bar at the top of the screen or at the bottom if you are doing this process through the app. Go over to your account page. In here, you can manage a lot of categories about your account, and one of them is going to be gift cards. So in here, you will be able to see how much balance you have available on your Amazon account, the option to redeem a card or purchase a new one. So click this option and immediately everything will be displayed here. So you will see your current gift card balance, you have the option to reload your balance and then redeem a gift card. So this is all you have to do if you are following this process through a web browser. In this final page that you are redirected to, you can include the code to redeem your balance. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you will receive the balance on your account instantly. As you can see, an Amazon gift card claim code is usually 14 or 15 characters long, containing both letters and numbers. So this is where you can safely and properly redeem your gift card. If you are doing this through the latest version of their mobile app, the gift card option is also going to be available when you go to your account page, but the layout is going to be different. If you are encountering any problems while trying to do this, I recommend that you talk to their customer support, but usually this is a process that you can do on your own as long as you include the 14 or 15-digit code in that page to receive your balance. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Amazon gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.